learn about data science and machine learning, it is essential to understand statistics. Nowadays, if anyone is attending a data science or data analyst interview, it is obvious to face some questions related to statistics. In this video, I am going to start about how to do statistical analysis with Power BI. Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita's Tech Corner. This is Arpita Ghosh. I am a data architect lead. Let's proceed to the next chapter. So, what is statistics? To understand it, we first need to understand the term population and sample. So, what is population? Population is the total data sets collected for any analysis denoted as capital N. And a sample is a subset of population denoted as small n. So, statistics is the mathematical analysis and representation of this sample data. A parameter is the mathematical representation of population data. Let's give an example. One company wants to conduct a survey on employee satisfaction for the entire company. Okay. Now you are the people ask you to go to conduct a survey within your project member and ask their opinion about this satisfaction about this company. So then you have asked your project member, then submit all the data to your HR management. So is it population or sample data? What should be the name of this presented value? Answer is it is the sample data and the presented value is called statistics because you took only one project member's data, which is a small part of the whole company's data. So there are two types of data. One is numerical, another is categorical. Under numerical, we have discrete and continuous. So let's see the definition. What is categorical? Categorical means represents the group or category. For example, the music genre, all those things. What is numerical? Represents the number, salary, revenue, etc. Now, under this numerical, we have discrete and continuous. Discrete is numerical data that can be counted in a finite way. Okay, that means the number of students, exam score. Okay, and what is the continuous data? Is infinite and impossible to count. So, for example, weight and height. Let's see one example in the Power BI desktop. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. So here we have some sample data and you can see this categorical value looks like this segment data, for example channel partners, enterprise, etc. And how the numerical value, we have this unit sold value, the summation of this value. Then this is our numerical continuous data like month number 1 to 12. What is a discrete numerical type of data? Age is our discrete numerical type of data. There are two types of level ups in measurement. One is qualitative, another is quantitative. And there are two qualitative levels, nominal and ordinal. There are two quantitative levels, that is interval and ratio. So ordinal is ordered categories, nominal is unordered categories, and interval is numbers but not having true zero, and ratio is numbers with true zero. So I will show you the example in the Power BI itself. So to denote this levels of measurement, let me show you some example. So this is our nominal data. That means the categories, no order, no math. So here you can see the gender, hair color, cities. These are all nominal data. What is ordinal data? That is ranked order, but gaps are not equal. But here we have this satisfaction. There we have satisfaction score. So these are all ordinal data. Now we have this interval record. What is that? Temperature gap. So equal gaps, but that doesn't mean that 0 degree centigrade is no temperature. This is our interval data. Here we have some ratio, that is equal gap, and there are true zero. So that means, for example, that a summation of income, average height, average sum of weight or average weight, whatever it is. So this type of information is our ratio. I hope from this video you understand why statistics is very important and what does it mean by statistics, what type of data we are considering under the statistics umbrella, what is the levels of measurement, and etc. Okay, in the next video we'll explain more about the statistics in Power BI. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.